Sorry, sorry, sorry. Actually, I was talking and you were not able to hear me, but I think you should be able to hear me now. Let me cross check once. Acha. Okay, okay, okay. Nice. What about here? Can you hear me? Yes, I think so. Okay, yes, I can see everyone can hear me. So. 1 minute, I think. Okay. Okay. So fine. So okay, if you are listening me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankush, and I have around 12 plus years of experience as a Oracle DBA, and I got an opportunity to work with the companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, L&T Infotech, and all those companies I have worked with my. And currently nowadays I'm working as a CEO and founder of Learnable Technologies. So today I'm here to talk about the database administration. Okay, and I'm going to discuss about what we do as a database administrator, and we will start talking about everything. Okay, now so a DBA. Okay, some people are also get confused with DBA and database administrator. What is this? Okay, those people who are not able to hear me, they can rejoin. Okay, so what is DBA? The long form of DBA is database administrator. What is the long form? The long form of DBA is database administrator. What we do as a DBA? Okay, we are a DBA. I am a DBA. What I do as a DBA? I need to understand what I do as a DBA. I need to understand what I do as a DBA. So my main responsibility to take care of databases. That is my main responsibility as a DBA. So just take an example of, if anything happened to my database, something happened to my database means, let's say my database performance is very low. My database performance is very low. So that time the DBA people will come, they will see what is the issue and they will try to fix the issue. That is the role of DBA. Nowadays you can see the offers are going on Amazon, Flipkart, all this e-commerce site, right? Like you can see there is a lot of offer is going on the iPhone. I have not purchased it, but I hope you people have purchased it, right? So when you are doing some transaction, let's say you are doing some transactions of 70,000, 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, whatever amount you have in your account, when you are making those transactions, that transactions will be recorded into your database. I will be able to make the transactions because my database is running. If my database is not running, I will not be able to make the transactions. I will not be able to make the transactions if the database is not running. So when you are going to the website and you are trying to make the transactions, and if your transactions is getting failed, the DBA person will come and he will fix the issues and he will see, okay, that's the main problem. So you consider a situation, there is a $millions business which is saved by the DBA. We are a very important person who makes sure that all the transactions which are happening under the database, it should be done. So we are a DBA. As a DBA, what things we should know? Like, okay, I got to know that what is DBA, what I do as a DBA. I got to know that as a DBA, my main responsibility to ensure that my database should be healthy, my database performance should be good, that thing I will take care. I got it. Okay. But what is the roadmap? Can you tell me the roadmap? I want to start my career as a database administrator. What is the roadmap? If you want to start your career as a DBA, database administrator, you should have a knowledge about some basic stuffs like SQL. What you need to understand? SQL. I'll write down it. Okay. If you are not able to remember, I need to write down it, right? Basically, I like to write when I give the trainings now. So what is the roadmap? Now we are learning about what is the roadmap of Oracle DBA, okay, or any DBA. Okay, just take an example. Whenever I want to start my career into the DBA, whenever I want to start my career into the DBA, I should have a knowledge about SQL, I should have a knowledge about Linux, and I should have a knowledge about then finally your Oracle DBA. You should have a knowledge about SQL, you should have a knowledge about Linux, you should have a knowledge about DBA. So these are the two prerequisites are there, guys. Basically SQL and Linux, these are the two prerequisites are there if you want to start your career as a DBA. What is the two prerequisites are there? You should have a knowledge about SQL and Linux. See, we are not a developer, okay? I'm not saying that you should be hard coder SQL programmer person. No. If you have some basic knowledge about what is DML, what is DDL, and all these basic concepts, now that's more than enough. That's more than enough. If you have some basic knowledge, now that's more than enough. If you have some basic knowledge about, now that's more than enough. You don't need to be very strong in SQL. Okay, I'm saying that, yeah, if you are good, that is good for your career only. But in an initial case, if you are asking me, does it need to be very strong? It's okay. Like if you have some basic knowledge also, now that's more than enough, because your SQL query will be written by your application team. They will have a separate developer team will be there who are responsible to write down the query. So if you're asking me what is the roadmap to start the career as a DBA, you should have a knowledge about SQL, and then you should have a knowledge about Linux. These are the two prerequisites are there, and then you can learn about the finally database administrator. And don't consider that in the market there are only Oracle DBAs are there. We have multiple databases are available. Like you take an example of, see, databases. Just take an example. I want to purchase a phone. Do you think that we have only Apple is there, iPhone is there? We have Redmi, MI, OnePlus, Samsung, Sony, Nokia. So many phones are there, right? Similar way, when I discuss about the database, I have so many databases are there. What are those? Like we have Oracle database, we have MySQL database, we have PostgreSQL database, we have SQL Server database are there. So many databases are there, and every database there is a separate DBA people will be there. A person who is handling Oracle, we call it as a Oracle DBA. The person who is handling MySQL, we call it as a SQL Server DBA, the SQL Server DBA, and PostgreSQL DBA. So when I am working as a DBA, it means I have expertise with some databases. I have expertise with Oracle database, I have expertise with PostgreSQL database. These are my expertise are there. And believe me, the DBA job is very responsible job. The DBA job is very responsible job. Why? Because so many factors are depending on you. Overall, your complete project, overall your complete company is also depending on you. Let's say you got some issues and you are not able to fix that issue within a time now, then there will be a loss of business, and that too in millions of dollars. हजारों में नहीं, लाखों में क्या मैं बोलता हूँ, करोड़ों में खर्चा होगा. You consider a situation that your database is down and people are not able to make the transactions, that is a loss to the business. So you are very responsible person. Many people are also coming from non-technical background. I know that so many people are coming from non-technical background. They are always saying that, okay, do we need to write down a code? Do we need to have a knowledge about coding? or programming, like just take an example of Python or Java and all those big languages. No need to do. If you want to start a career into the DBA, na, you don't need to write down a single line of code. So basically, no coding required to start career in DBA. No need to have a knowledge about the Python also. No need to have. No need to have a knowledge about the Python also, guys. No need to have. So any person who is coming from non-technical background, any person who is coming from a career gap, any person who is thinking that, okay, I want to resume my career, those people, they can easily start the career into the DBA, database administration. You can easily start it. No problem in that. You can easily start your career into the DBA. You can do that. And I have seen many people, many institute actually, and many person who have never worked with the IT industry, they are saying that for the data science there is no coding required. They are saying that there is no coding required for data science. This is absolutely wrong. If you are starting your career into the data science or data analyst or other, you need to have a strong knowledge about the Python. That is required, guys. That is required. That is required. Python is required if you want to start your career into the data science and data analyst. So I have seen many advertisement, people are saying that the coding is not required for data science. That is absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. So if you want to start a career into the DBA, you don't need to write down a code. I am saying what is the roadmap? Simple roadmap is there. You should have a knowledge about SQL plus Linux. That's it. So what we offer in the training, like we as a learner mate, what we offer in the training, we take care of everything. If someone is coming from non-technical background, I am considering that the person does not have a single knowledge of anything. He's completely blank. Don't worry about that. If you don't know anything, because I'm going to start from SQL, I'm going to start with Linux also, and then we will jump to the DBA. See why I'm not directly jumping to the DBA, because I can finish the DBA in 2 months also, but I'm giving extra 1 month here. Why? Because I want to make sure that your fundamentals are strong. These are the basic. This is my fundamental, because if your fundamentals is not strong, how can you create a building, right? How can you construct a building? That fundamentals should be very strong, guys. Okay, the fundamentals are very strong. That is the reason we take care of this roadmap. Acha, till now whatever we discuss, acha guys, listen me carefully. Till now whatever we discuss, are you able to understand? Let me know in the chat options. जो भी हम लोग discuss करें, are you able to understand? Everyone saying yes. Nice. Good to see. Good to see people are understanding. That is what I'm looking for. Good to see. Okay. है ना? Okay, nice. Okay. So I can say everyone is able to understand, and that's really good. Now, so I'll talk about how we are going to start the training, okay, and what things we are going to learn in training. Okay, I'll just give a small example. So basically what we do in the database, we store a huge amount of data. Okay, what we do here, you consider a situation that there is a person, this is a person, okay, he is making some transactions in the bank. Okay, you are making some transaction in the bank. That transactions will be recorded into where? Into one database. So basically in the database you will have your tables will be there. Okay, you will have your table, and under the table you will have your records are available. So there is a person called Akash. He's making some transactions in the bank. So that transaction will be recorded into the database tables. So we will create a table called, let's say, employee table, or maybe account table, any table. Okay, you can mention that. So this person can make the transactions only when your database is running. If this database is running now, so these databases will be connected to some applications. Like you will have separate applications are there. Like if I just take the example of Oracle DBA, you will have some CRM application, you will have some SAP application, you will have different type of applications will be there. It can be any applications. Okay. So now this application will be used by your application team. They will use it, and they are going to store a data. What data? They are going to store? They are going to store a huge amount of data, and that data will be stored under the database. You can store a data into the database only when your database is running. So my responsibility is to make sure that this database should be running 24/7. My database should be running 24/7. That is my responsibility. That is my responsibility as a DBA. See, now this database, like if I just draw the, like this database is basically is written into some language. Let's say it has written into the Java language. Now this database has so much of important data, right? So much of important data. So basically it is a software. What is Oracle? What is Oracle or PostgreSQL or any server? It is just a software written into some language. When you have a software, you can have some bug. You can have some security issues in the database, right? You can have some bug or security issues. Like if you take the example of Learnomet, like our website, we can have some bug, right? In our website, we can have some. So whenever you have some bug issues, whenever you have some securities, the Oracle is providing a software, we call it as a patch. And that patch, we need to apply as a DBA, we call it as a patching activity. What is the responsibility of DBA? To apply the patch. We call it as a patching activity. We call it as a patching activity. So what is the responsibility as a DBA? I am going to apply a patch on the Oracle database. We call it as a patching activity. That is my responsibility. Every quarterly, every after 3 months, we are going to apply the patch. We are going to apply the patch. That is called patching activity. But I am missing something. What I am missing? Who will apply the patch? DBA. What is the importance of patch? Whenever you are applying the patch, all the bug or security issues which are available under the database, that will get fixed. What is the security issues? Let's say someone hacked the system, right? Let's say someone hacked the system. Okay. So the main purpose of patching is to remove the bug from the databases. So that is my responsibility as a DBA. What is the other responsibility as a DBA? Just take an example. This database, I have very important data is there, right? Now let's say someone dropped the table. By mistake, someone dropped the table. And this table is very important for me. So can I do one thing? Can I take the backup? Of this table? Yes, I can take that. Can I take the backup of this table? Yes, I can take that. I can take a different type of backup. I can take the table level backup. I can take full database backup. I can take incremental backup. Maybe you will not understand all this terminology today, but I would say that what is the responsibility as a Oracle DBA? To take the backup of database. Why? If someone dropped the database, let's say in tomorrow, someone dropped the database. Nowadays you can see a war-like situation is happening everywhere. Like if you take the example of Nepal and all, right? There's a chances that, right, your database got crashed. Wherever your database is available, nothing is available now. So what we do, we always take the backup. Your backup should be there. We prefer to have a backup available. So that is what all the banking systems are doing. They are spending hell lot of money just to ensure that their database is safe, just to ensure that their data is very, very safe. So backup is also responsibility. And if something went wrong to my database, that backup restoration will be taken care by the DBA. Restoration means if the database got trapped, I'm going to restore my database from the backup and I will recreate that database again, same way. I will do that. I want to start my new business. Okay, I started a new business with the name Learnomate. I want to store student data. So what I got the website. I got a website with the name learnomate.org. This is our website. Like if you go here, like if you just go here and if you just say learnomate.org, this is our website. Okay. So when I'm going to this website, we store your data, like we store your student data. What we do? We store the student data. When we store the student data, where that data will be stored? Under the database, right? Under the database. देखो कितनी बेइज्जती हो गई साला. जब वेबसाइट ओपन करना है, वेबसाइट भी ओपन नहीं होती. मतलब क्या ही करना. साले हो गई ओपन. ठीक है. So basically this is our website. Okay. So when I'm opening the website, you can see there is a form available here. Can you see this form? Okay. When you fill up this form and you click on the submit button, what will happen? Your data will be stored under a database. Which database? So behind this website, we have a databases are there. Behind this website, we have a database are there. And that database store a data, whatever you are going to. Do you think that this website is holding the data? No. Who is holding the data? The databases. Which database? It can be Oracle database, it can be Postgres database, it can be MySQL, it can be other databases. Does these databases are free of cost? No. We need to pay the money. So if you use any application, guys, you use website, you use app, whatever you are using, everywhere the databases is there. Everywhere the database is there. Everywhere. Clear, everyone? Till now, able to understand, everyone? Till now, whatever we discuss, able to understand? Till now, whatever we discuss, able to understand? Till now, able to understand? Everyone is saying yes, nice. Suresh is saying yes, Rakesh is saying yes, Pankaj is saying yes, Prakash, nice, Abhishek, okay, nice, Sushil, nice, okay, nice, okay, great to see, nice, okay, nice. All right, okay. So as a DBA, okay, as a DBA, you are responsible to manage so many things, guys, so many things. Like just take an example. I want to, as I said, like I want to create a website and I need a database. Who will install that? If I need a database, the installation will be taken care by the DBA. So I'll just raise the request to the DBA team. Hi DBA team, can you please install a Oracle database for me? That request I will raise and they will install it for me. So if you are becoming a DBA, you should know how to install the database also. You should know that. You should know how to install the database also. If application team is saying that, okay, I'm making some changes to my application, there's a chances that my application get crashed. Can you please take the backup? You are responsible to take the backup also. You should know how to take the backup of your database. Application team is saying that I'm making some changes into this table. Can you please take the backup of this table? You should know how to take the backup also. You got some bug in your Oracle database, some security concerns are there. You can reach out to the Oracle support. They will provide you patch. That patching will be done by the DBA. Who will do that? The patching will be done by the DBA. DBA is responsible to DBA is responsible to apply the patch. And there is one more activity we do, like so many activities are there, but I'll tell you one activity, we called it as a upgradation also. Upgradation. What is upgradation? When I started using this laptop and all, like this computer, that time we were using Windows XP. Then we went to Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. We are upgrading, right? If you remember, Windows XP was taking too much of time to start the system itself. Too much of time. If you say start, it will take another 2 minutes to start the system. But nowadays, Windows 11, you can start it within seconds, right? So basically, the databases are also coming with a different version. I started using from Oracle 9i. Oracle 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23AI. So many things are there. So if you get opportunity to upgrade your database from one version to another version, because you will get a lot of features, lot of security, performance related improvement, then definitely you are going to upgrade the database, right? Who will upgrade for you? Is it going to be upgrade automatically? No. As a DBA, it is your responsibility to upgrade your databases as a DBA. So that is what we are going to do. We will see how to upgrade the database also in our class. We are going to see that. Oracle also provide a feature, we called it as a data guard. What is data guard? Data guard means, what is data guard? Data guard is all about, what is data guard, guys? If there is a situation called disaster recovery, or I want to protect my data, okay, I'll show you one small example. You take an example like, see, consider a situation, my databases server is available over here. Let's say this is my server which is available under, like if I take the example of India, I have a server available in Mumbai location. There my database is hosted here. But there is some disaster kind of situation occurred, like it should not happen. But consider a situation that you have some disaster kind of situations like earthquake, flood. Flood is a common problem in Mumbai, right? So you have your data centers where your database is hosted and you got some disaster issues and you are not able to access the database. What will happen? The applications which are connected to this database, they will not work. But you have some critical applications, you cannot afford the downtime. Client is saying that I'm ready to spend as money you want, but make sure that my database should not be down. What I will do, I will ask them, do one thing. We will have one more setup here near to the Mumbai, that is in Pune location, and we will have a database here also. And the system is built in a such way that whatever transactions you are doing on primary, this is called primary side, and this is called standby. You can have n number of standby. So the setup is defined in a such way that whatever transactions you are doing it here, that transactions will be automatically recorded on the standby side. Automatically. आप समझो यार. Let's say I'm performing any DML operations, DDL operations, means insert, update, delete. That transaction will be recorded on the standby automatically. If I'm inserting 100 record here, automatically the 100 record will be here. Automatically. So this setup, we called it as a data guard. What we saw? This setup, we called it as a data guard. So this data guard also we are going to learn, like, the replication of your primary database. You said correct, Manohar, Vinay, all those people. This data guard play a very, very important role, because when you go for an interview, like the Oracle DBA people are going for an interview, these things are very important, guys. So that's how, like, the DBA is, around the world. Like you can see so many companies are also hiring, firing. Everything is happening, okay? Everything is happening. Till now, whatever we discuss, able to understand? Everyone, can you please use the chat option? Can you please use the chat option? I feel very great when you see that you people are understanding. हमको और क्या ही चाहिए? When you people are able to understand, what else I need? Let me know if you guys are understanding. Shankar is saying yes, Nitiraj is saying yes, Damini is saying yes, Najma is saying yes, Sanket is saying yes, Ambul is saying yes, or Roshan is saying yes, Villains is saying yes, Ramesh is saying that. Okay, so do you have anything? So basically, we are starting a new batch of Oracle DBA, guys. Okay, so we are starting a new batch of Oracle DBA, and I know that you people want to start your career into the database administration also. So many things we are going to cover with the Oracle DBA. Like we will start from SQL. So we will start from SQL, Linux. In Oracle DBA, we are going to talk about the database installation, database architecture, backup, recovery, table space, listener, the important concept like data guard, ASM, patching, upgradation, shell scripting, OEM, and performance. RAC is not there, RAC, like those people who know about the RAC is a separate course. Okay, so if you guys are interested to start your journey with Learnomate, if you are interested to start your journey with Learnomate, so what you can do, you can reach out to the Learnomate. And these are our numbers. Like you can see the numbers. This is our website. This is our email ID. You can see everything over the screen. So this is not a free course. Okay, now those people who are coming from my that free na, this is not a free course. Okay, those people who are looking for free things, I will update you in the group, because yesterday also we have taken a free things. So I will continue doing about that. Okay, this is a paid course which I am discussing today. Okay, there is a Google form. There is a form available in the chat options. Please fill up that so that we can discuss about that. Okay, but if you guys have any questions, queries, anything, please feel free to ask me. And let me know what you people have any questions. Okay,
Hello, Ankush.
yes, please tell me.
Do we have like course performance tuning in this course actually?
Separate performance tuning course as of now we do not have. Here I will discuss about the performance tuning till 3 plus. Okay, 3 years.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Confirmation on rack. Rack is a separate course. Rack we do not include in this course. Rack is a separate course. Here we include the all core DBA concept, including data guard, ASM, patching, upgradation, shell scripting, and everything. If you want, I can do one thing. You guys can go to our website here, and if you go here, trainings, Oracle DBA 90C. Here you can see the complete syllabus. So what we are going to cover. Okay, the complete syllabus you can see here. I will share the link if you guys want.
Projects, how many projects will in there? Project.
Project means whatever activities we are going to see, whatever activities we are going to perform in the Oracle DBA, like as a live environment, everything we are going to see here. Okay, everything we are going to see here. Okay,
How many
and
months course? You said duration for the course?
duration will be 3 months. Every sessions will be getting recorded also. You will get the recording on daily basis. We have a dedicated support team is there. Whenever you have any issues after the class, you can reach out to the support team. We have a dedicated WhatsApp group. They will take care of your control. They will fix your issues. We will have a sessions, interactive sessions will be there where you can ask the questions, and we can have practicals, theoretical. Those people who are watching me for the first time, I would request, please visit Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel, where I think we have around 75,000 subscriber on our YouTube channel. So that will help us, that will help you actually to get the more confidence about us. So if you don't know about us, you can go here. You can go to this Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel and see here we have. एक minute, let me copy that link. So if you go here, but the links are available in here also. Okay, so you can get it from here. What else?
Uh,
Yeah, sir.
how many
Yes.
sorry, year experience after completion of training? How many years of experience candidate you will give knowledge?
अच्छा,
Experience
for this training you
ये
are saying?
हाँ ये ट्रेनिंग होने के बाद कितने लेवल का नॉलेज आ जाएगा 2 year 3 year?
So as a DBA with this training you can have 3+ years of experience, but if you want to go more than 3+, like 5+ or maybe 7 8 years, along with that you need to also understand about Oracle RAC. Okay, that's a separate training.
What
So
is just please explain rack
what you said?
रैक क्या है सिलेबस थोड़ा क्या होता है वो तो किस लिए
See,
होता है व्हाट इज
rack is basically high availability concept. So high availability means, like, let's say your one node goes down, means let's say you have some issues on your one node. So basically you will have the people will be getting connected to the second node. It's a Oracle only, but that is like high availability. You consider like I have two Wi-Fi's. One Wi-Fi is down, so I can take this session from another Wi-Fi. So that's a high availability concept will be there. That is coming under Oracle RAC.
Sir, can you differentiate the golden gate with rat? I would like to know.
Golden Gate and RAC, like, both are separate courses actually. We have Golden Gate also, we have RAC also, we have other courses also. But all those courses will be taken care after the Oracle DBA.
No, the difference. I mean, you have said rack means high availability.
No,
What would be
the
the golden
Golden Gate is mainly useful when you want to do the migrations and all. Okay, let's say you want to migrate your databases from different RDBMS to Oracle. Okay, that time this Golden Gate will help you.
All right, thank you.
And RAG is a high availability. High availability means, like, see, in a high availability also you have multiple technologies are, like, let's say you want instance level high availability, you have Oracle RAG. You want database level high availability, you have DataGuard is already included with this training. You want to do some migrations from one database to another databases, so that time we can do this Golden Gate. But don't go for the Golden Gate directly without having a knowledge about Oracle DBA.
हेलो सर
Yeah, sir.
Yes, please.
हेलो
Yes, I can hear you.
फ्री कोर्स और पेड कोर्स सर
What you say?
इज इट फ्री कोर्स और पेड कोर्स सर
It's a paid code. Okay, this is a paid course.
Hello. How will you get the interview call, sir? From your interview call will be provided from
So
your
from
side?
our side we will help you. Okay, but again, I don't give any job guarantee and all. Okay, I'm telling in front of everyone. So that scam, we don't do that. Okay, we don't do that, all those scam, like, 100% guarantee in with this fees and all. We help you with the assistance, like resume preparations, mock interviews. We help you with the, like, whenever you get any interview questions you don't know answer, reach out to us, we will provide you the answer. So till the time you get placed we will help you. But again, we don't do proxy, we don't do like many people are asking, can you do the proxy and all? No, we don't do all those things. Okay, so we believe in knowledge and sharing a good knowledge. Okay, so if you think that we are quite good with the training and all, you can join.
कॉल लेने के लिए क्या हाउ विल यू गेट कॉल इफ
No,
यू
we will help you with the calls, means, like, we have a dedicated team is there. Okay, we will identify a job vacancies wherever it is available. We will push it, like few companies are reaching out to us also. We can share your profile, but again, as I said, I can't give the guarantee. Now how the people are getting the jobs and all? Usually they refer LinkedIn, Naukri. These are the job portals. You need to apply. Keep applying it, and we will guide you for that. Yes, please.
Hello.
Yes,
Let's say
please.
if we get a job and we got a problem there, and let's say if I'm working on some database and I need some help while patching,
Correct.
and I have some doubts, can I reach out to the support team?
From production issues, we extra charges for that. Okay, you can reach out to us, but we take extra charges for that. But yes, when you are doing it on your personal laptop, which is the part of our training, when you are in training, that time we can reach out to us.
Okay, let's say if I'm doing it in my in my professional work, and if I reach out to you, there is extra charge.
We can guide you. Yeah, we can guide you in that case. Okay, but we cannot
Okay.
take the control because that's a security breach issue actually. Okay.
Yeah. No, I'm not asking about that. You doing the thing. Like
No, no, we
if
can
I'm
do that.
stuck
We can
somewhere.
help you. We can guide you. Okay. So that part we can take care.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Yes.
Experience letter document, sir. Can you provide experience document?
You talk to my team, okay, for this all these things, okay. They will guide you all this.
Hello, Ankush Sir.
Yes.
Currently, I'm working as a SQL DBA,
Hmm.
and I want to upgrade on Oracle DBA.
Mm-hmm.
So my question is, can you configure the maintenance jobs or alerts like SQL DBA
You
in
can do
Oracle?
that. Obviously.
Okay.
See,
It's like using scripting, right?
in Oracle we have multiple monitoring tools are available. Among that, one of the famous tool is OEM, Oracle Enterprise Manager. Let's say you got some issues with your Oracle database. Let's say your database is down, so automatically the email will be triggered to your DBA team. So that email notification you can perform by using the monitoring tool. If you don't have a license of OEM, you can create a script, your shell scripting or Perl script you can create, or even you can use the Python also, and you can automate the things. That is also possible. But
Okay.
most of the
So
organization they are using OEM only.
okay. So these topics are included in this course.
It is there. It is there.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Next question, please.
Hello.
Yes.
Demo
Yes,
session
sir.
कितने दिन है?
Sir.
Session for which how many days?
What? How
एक ही
many
है
days
क्या
you
इसमें?
say? 3
Demo
months. 3
session.
months. 3 months. 3 months. 3 months.
Yeah, demo. This one only or 2-3 days.
నువ్వు ట్యాంక్ చూడు నీళ్లు ఫోర్స్గా వస్తుంటే
Yeah. Next question, please.
Hi, Ankush Sir. This is Aditya.
Yes, Aditya.
Yeah, I have attended your session on OCI and today on Oracle DBA. Now, my total experience is 10 years as a PLSQL developer. Now I am a bit confused. Like, I should go for this Oracle DBA part or OCI? Your suggestions, please.
So generally we ask people to go to the OCI only when you have a knowledge about the Oracle DBA. Because you might have heard some lectures, right? There most of the people are already working as a DBA or they have a knowledge about the DBA side, right?
Yeah.
So these people, because let's say I'm using some terminology called patching activity, or let's say I'm using some terminology called anything which is related to the database, right? So the OCI people, they will not discuss about the basics because they assume that they have already experienced people are there in their class. So they don't say like what is backup, what are all different type of backups are there. They don't discuss all these things. They straight away take the backups on OCI, right? So because their expectation is like you people are already DBA. Now if you think that you have a knowledge on database side, core DBA, the architecture, what is database, how database works internally, what is like all this control file, data files, and all this architecture, if you know, then you can directly go to the OCI. But if you think that you don't know about what is upgradation, how to apply patch, and all those things, then my suggestion will be join DBA first, and then along with that you can do OCI also.
Okay.
Okay.
హలో
You do one thing, Aditya. You discuss with my team. They will provide you my number. Okay, we can have a call.
Okay.
హలో
Okay. Thanks.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
సార్ మై నేమ్ ఇస్ సునీల్ బాబు once upon a time I completed the SQL course in Hyderabad,
Okay.
but now I am interested to complete shell script and Perl script. Is there any session for shell script and as
Shell
well as
script
Perl?
is available in our course, but we don't provide more time to the shell scripting because whatever things which are required for the DBA, that part only I'm taking. We do not have a separate course for shell scripting. I suggest you, there are
Okay.
many other training institutes are there who provide the shell
Mhm.
scripting course, like maybe, or maybe you can join Udemy also. There you
Okay.
can learn with very minimal cost.
Yes. And you see, sir, when I attended the courses in Hyderabad, then I learned about the SQL only. You know, PLSQL is, I'm never feeling comfort in working with PLSQL. So is this necessary to PLSQL also to learn as to work as a data analyst?
Work as a, see, SQL and
As
PLSQL
a
is
data
coming under the
analyst.
developer track. Okay. It's
Yes.
not an
Okay.
administration track. That is coming under the
Okay.
developer track. The course which we are taking, that is an administration track. So their
Okay.
responsibility as a database and our responsibility on the database is completely different. The developer people are
Okay.
responsible to write down the SQL queries. So they will write down the procedure,
Okay.
function, trigger, and all those things. My
Right.
responsibility as a DBA to maintain the databases, to do the administration of the databases.
Okay.
Okay. So these people,
Okay.
and
That means SQL is enough.
yeah, SQL nowadays, like if you are asking me now,
Mm.
nowadays I see many developer like SQL developers or Oracle developer, now they are joining a DBA.
Okay.
Okay. There are not much
Okay.
vacancies are coming on development side, like especially on
Okay.
database development sides.
Okay.
So at the end, one or other day, you need to understand DBA. Okay. Maybe not
Okay.
today, but you will realize it very soon. Okay. Believe my
Okay,
word.
sir. Okay, exactly, sir. So, can you tell me how much time duration it requires to complete the course? Hello?
It a problem with my internet. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir. Able to hear your voice. Can you please tell me how much, what are the timings to attend these classes?
Sorry, guys. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Actually, I think there was some issue, but now everything is fine. Okay, nice. What was the question? I missed that. Sorry.
Sir, the question is how much time duration is required to complete this course? And
Course
what are
will
the
take,
times?
see, my timing will be 3 months. I will take 3 months
Okay,
to complete the course.
okay,
How much time it is required to you understand the DBA, it's completely on you. There are many people, they got placed when my training is going on. There are people,
okay.
they take a time to, understand the things and all. So
Right.
it's all about your grasping power also. Okay.
Right.
But since I have observed one thing, the people who are coming from, like, let's say SQL Server background or SQL background or MySQL background, the DBA people, they understand me very easily, so it
Right.
will not take much time.
Okay. Sir, my final question is, what are what is the duration, timing from which time to which time we need to attend the
So
class?
the timing of the training will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. current timing actually.
Okay. Okay.
That's a daily class, no weekends,
Okay.
um,
Mhm.
and 3 months of the durations.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
Hello,
Ankush sir.
sir.
Hi, sir. Damini this side.
Yes, Damini.
I have one question related to Golden Gate course. In Golden Gate course, do you teach basic Golden Gate or microservices architecture as
Everything,
well?
all those three
Everything.
services are included. You have that microservices and classic architecture, and what is the third one? क्या था उसका नाम? That third one is also there. I'm sorry, I missed that because I don't take that Golden Gate. We have other trainers are there. Again, I'm saying, join our course and look for 7 days. Within 7 days, if you think that we are not doing good, you take 100% refund. Let me write down here. It's on the recording also. Okay. Join our course. Look for 7 days. If you don't understand, take 100% refund. Okay.
No, you are explaining very clearly, Ankush sir. This is Kamal. I saw your YouTube videos all. So your explanation is very clear and very, what do we say, open banana put in mouth.
Thank you.
Yeah. And one more thing is, uh, actually, before also I talked with you so many times. So I'm little confusion in so my one of the brother-in-law is Oracle DBA, that person. He is saying that you don't go because you don't have any degree. So degree is must and should for this
Degree?
degree.
Are you working now?
Yeah, I am working, but I am not. I am working in government sector from 20 years. That also
Hmm.
one of the defect for me.
See, I will tell you one thing,
Yeah.
if the company is looking for a DBA, they don't have any type of restrictions, okay? But yeah, if you're coming and thinking about the companies like TCS or TechM, all those big giants, na, usually they prefer to have a degree, usually, okay? But the mid-scale companies, small scale company, they don't worry about the degree. If you're asking me, I work with the multiple managers, they don't have a proper degree also because their expertise on DBA side now. So once you get experience as a DBA with any company, later on you can move to the any big company. They don't worry about the degrees and all. See, this is not a government job. This is a private. You're going to work with the private company. They are ready to pay you as much as you can, but depends on your skills. They will give you work. You need to complete the work. If you're able to complete the work, work is done. That's it,
Okay.
right? So it's all about the skills, guys, okay?
Yeah.
You do not have anything degrees and like age factors and all. Till the time you are working hard, you are welcome to the IT industry.
No. Actually, what he
Hello.
says, if you go with the fake experience, then they red mark on your certificates. Then you don't have this job and that also. So think twice before go. He said that like that. So that is I'm confusing here. So
See,
many
I'm
people
always saying
saying
like,
that.
we should always give a chance to the life, okay?
Yeah.
Okay,
I heard that.
if everything goes good, because the first chance is very important, okay?
Yeah.
We are like, you already being the part of your this jobs and all, like for last 20 years you are saying, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you might have think this 10 years back, and 10 years back maybe किसी ने बोला होगा आपको कि अरे ये मत कर ये कर so that's how it works. Again, finally you need to take the decisions. We are not anyone,
नहीं
so you
नहीं
think.
एक्चुअली तो ये क्या हुआ कि मैं जो जॉब कर रहा हूँ
Sorry to
इसमें पहले ही
interrupt. Hi, this is Dhanraj again. I have one question actually. Am I audible?
You are
So,
audible, but let the other complete their questions, because everyone have the right to ask the questions, okay?
okay, all right, no
Okay,
problem.
now you can ask me. Okay, no, you can take
No
care.
problem. Actually, okay. The problem is I'm already working and I'm in the other field. So, how difficult or easy or how is it to transition into?
You're working on which, where?
I'm working as a data analyst and I want
Data
to,
analyst.
yeah.
Data analyst is good only, na? Why you're coming
No,
degree?
I wanted to switch to Oracle. So,
So see, the person who is coming from data analyst, it's a very easy job for him. It's a very easy job, but don't tell to your next company that you're working as a data analyst. You need to show your skills as a Oracle DBA only. Because when you are working as a data analyst, like definitely you will be working with the tools like Power BI or Tableau, any visualization tools. Maybe you have expertise with Python and SQL, right? So you can understand these technologies very, very well.
all
Okay.
right.
So definitely everyone can understand it. It will be very easy actually for you if I compare it with the other people. Now the person who is coming from government job, I believe, like, you need to trust me, guys, like those people who know me so many years. There is a person in my last batch, he was working with the bank, he was a manager, and now he's working as a Oracle DB in Capgemini company. Seriously, I'm saying, okay, I don't know whether you will trust me or not, but that's the reality I'm telling you. The person who is working on like the banking side on, like, on a very good scale, there was some tragedy, and after that, now, like, after our course, now he's working as a Oracle DBA. So if you are joining now, I will try to invite him in our class also as a guest lecture, but we will see. Okay, so
Hello, sir.
everything is possible.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir. I am also working in apps DBA, sir. Can I move to the Oracle DBA? Last time I also met you.
तो apps DBA वाला तो आराम से आ सकता है. There is no problem with the apps DBA. Apps DBA and Oracle DBA both are working same. They are like,
Okay.
sitting together only. So like in our current class also we have apps DBA people.
Okay, sir. Can I join offline also, sir?
Offline, this batch is not there. Offline we have different batches there. The
Can I
current batch
join?
which I'm starting now, that is a English batch. The offline Hindi batch will be starting, I think, from next month. I think so.
Okay.
So
Can
you
I
can join
join
both the
also, sir?
batches. You can join
Huh?
both. Hmm?
Can I join this also, sir? Batch
You can
for
join.
free
You
time?
can join. No problem. You can join both the
Okay,
batches.
sir. Thank you for. Sir, I have also not completed degree, sir. I have only diploma holders. Can
Acha.
I?
You can do that. No problem. Okay. Only the thing is you need to identify few small base companies only. Okay.
Hello, Ankush sir.
Yes.
Sir, as a fresher, I have completed Oracle DBA course, but I get problem in a placement. So, can you suggest what to do?
See, right now, like if you see the current timing, till now there is a problem with the, like, everyone know, right, what is happening over the world, right? Trump issue and all. Okay, that is a big challenge. Second challenge is, as of now this is a Diwali time. Diwali, after the Diwali there will be what will be there? Christmas. So basically your all the US business will be down in this last quarter. So business will be open in next year, actually in the January. Then the openings will be getting started. Okay, so this last quarter now you just focus on learning and be ready for the challenges in the next quarter. So be ready for that. Okay.
Yeah, Ankush sir, this is my
Yeah.
last question.
Yeah.
Along with this course, you conduct mock interviews and giving complete knowledge about interview, how to crack.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. Yes. So if you guys want to know more about our mock interviews now, you can go to our YouTube channel. So if you go here, there are multiple mock interviews. Like if you just say mock interview with Learnomate, if you just search here like Learnomate, you will see like so many mock interviews like usually we cover. Like, so if you go here, normally in our offline class also we take care like this, see, like this. So if you go here, hi everyone, welcome back to Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel. Today we are just trying to understand about the data card. So it is just a mock interview related to the data card. So what is data card? Why we use the data card? Data card is basically so like this, like we conduct so much of mocks and all for our online also and offline also. Okay.
Hello, Ankush sir.
Hi,
Yeah.
Ankush.
Yeah,
Is
hi,
every
Ankush,
session
sir.
there is recording available?
What you said?
Is every session there is a recording available or not?
Yeah, every session the recordings will be available. Miss, it is a live session. Every live session will be getting recorded also. So by any chance, if you miss the session, you will get the recording also.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi,
Ankush,
Ankush.
sir. Rohini here. Hello, I'm audible, sir. Hello.
1 minute, 1 minute, guys. Yes, Rohi. Yes, Rohini.
Yeah,
Rohi. Sorry.
Ankush, sir, actually, I was working as a apps Oracle DBA. Okay, and now I'm trying to get calls. So when I'm going for interview, it's like they're expecting core DBA. So that is the issue. And so I just want to understand, is it like that only, that application DBA? You're going for application DBA, but they will expect you have knowledge of
That is the reality of IT industry. Okay.
core
As
DBA.
a DBA, you should have a knowledge about the core DBA only. That is required. Okay.
Okay.
Because they will try to understand that how much you are comfortable with the DBA concept. If your core DBA is good now, you can do everything on the
Yeah.
database level. So
Yeah.
सो वैसे ही है, फिर आपको पैसा खर्च करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए।
अच्छा,
Hello,
ठीक
Ankush
है।
sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
and
Ankush,
uh,
Vinay.
uh, Ankush sir, one more question. Sorry, if
Yeah.
you can wait.
Yes, please
Someone is
tell me.
asking. Yeah, Ankush sir, actually, see, I'm not aware. See, there are a lot of things in Google, YouTube. Okay, but still, that will not help to clear the concept. If you understand what is my concern, like configuration, there are multiple terminology, multiple configuration which are new, and I'm not aware about that. And I'll be coming to you because I'm blank, so I can't ask the question on that part also. So, are you covering all that things, or it's like again like Google topics are there and YouTube videos are there, so that I can get in free.
Hmm.
You are getting my point. What I
Hmm.
want to know. So
So
that is my concern.
see, basically, like if you see our YouTube channel also, na, everything is completely free of cost. Okay. But
Yeah,
still people are joining us and we get very good audience on the Oracle DBA because uh, everything is not getting covered under the YouTube channel.
exactly.
Like just take an example of a concept called architecture. Maybe I
Hmm.
will create a video of 8 minutes, 10 minutes on architecture on YouTube channel. But here in our real time class, we take the architecture for 2 weeks.
Okay.
Now 2 weeks and 10 minutes. You
Okay.
understand the difference, right?
Mm-hmm.
Again, here like we take care of interactive classes. Interactive classes means like now you guys are asking me questions. I'm
Yeah.
responding that, right? Again,
Mm-hmm.
when you have a questions, like even after the class we have a dedicated support team is there. Next day you can come to the come to like these online classes. Even you can visit, like if those people who are from Pune location, they can visit
Mm-hmm.
our offline like Pune location office also. Usually I'll be there, so we can have a discussion over there. So this kind of environment you will not get when you are purchasing, Udemy on 400 rupees and 500 rupees or YouTube channel. But I would suggest one thing: once you are the part of any institute or any classes now, and if
Mm-hmm.
your fundamentals are strong, you don't need
Mm-hmm.
to join other classes then. You can simply read and you will understand it. See, nowadays I am in a position I don't need to join any classes. If I
Yeah.
read it something, I'll understand it, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
now our fundamentals are strong. So again,
Correct.
if you have any questions apart from this,
Hmm.
you can ask me na in the class, no problem in that.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay.
I have one question. On database architecture, you take practical also or only theory?
प्रैक्टिकल लेंगे बाबा, प्रैक्टिकल लेंगे हम लोगों के
Hi,
पास. You
Ankush,
guys need to
Vinay here.
understand one thing: if I have 75,000 Oracle DBA followers, something is good with us na. Something is good na. Yes, next please.
Hello,
Because
this is
Hello,
some
sir.
Yes, please.
Yes. So when is the actual classes starting?
We are starting from next week, okay? We are starting from next week.
so this is Manohar.
Because
Yes.
dates are not clear, Ankush. We are seeing from 16th it will be starting, but now
Yeah,
today is
yeah, yeah.
23rd.
Because
Actually,
my
I
current
have,
batch
yes.
was there. Okay. I have completed my current batch now. Now I am free. Okay. So from the next
Okay,
month we are
okay.
starting. That is for sure. Okay.
And
So
Ankush,
this
sir, you only
Next
taking the
month or
classes for Oracle
can you
DBA
tell
and
me the
that?
date, please?
I am only going to take that. Okay. I'm only going to
Okay.
take.
Okay. Okay.
so
Okay.
this is
Thank you.
Manohar.
Yes,
Hello,
Manohar.
I'm a Oracle PLSQL developer. 13 to 14 years experience. So 2 years back, job has gone. I'm not able to crack the intros. Second to in second round, few 3 4 intros are gone. So any improvement? Can I join this course or any?
So this is not a PLSQL course. Okay. This is a DBA
Yeah,
side.
I know.
Okay.
So it will
Like if
enhance my career.
like obviously, like I have many PL/SQL people in our current class. Even like I have trained so many people. So if you mention a developer plus DBA na, that
Hmm.
is definitely going to add advantages to your resume. Okay.
Okay, sir. How much cost of the course? Any mentioned?
You can discuss with the sales team. They will talk about that. There is a number
Oh,
available in the chat option.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
So you
Thank you.
can discuss with
Hi,
them.
sir.
Yes, please.
Myself, Rajni. I'm working as a Postgres DBA.
Acha.
Should we need to learn Oracle DBA?
PostgreSQL DBA is basically is one of my favorite skills. If you see our profile, we take two types of training. One is Oracle DBA, second one is PostgreSQL DBA. Those people who are already working as a Oracle DBA, they are learning PostgreSQL. Those people who are already working as a PostgreSQL DBA, they are learning Oracle, because nowadays the industry is expecting that you should have minimum two databases in your resume. One is open source, which you already have, which is PostgreSQL, and another is enterprise database, which is your Oracle. So having a knowledge about two databases is definitely going to increase the weightage of your resume, and you can expect a good package also.
Okay. Yeah.
And both the training taken care by me only.
Okay. I have 5+ years of experience in
No
Postgres
problem.
DBA. Okay.
That's good now. See, you can say your primary skill set is PostgreSQL and your secondary skill set is Oracle. That's really good, actually. The good, like, if I'm always suggesting the senior people, like, go with the two databases. One is primary skill set as your PostgreSQL, and second one is Oracle.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, I think काफी टाइम हुआ, भूख भी लग चुकी है ना? So I think again, like, definitely you may have a questions. Okay, don't worry about it. You can reach out to my team. We can have a discussions also separately, and let's see in the class now. Okay, so thank you so much for listening me. Again, those people who don't want to invest the money, please subscribe to our YouTube channel with the name Learnomate. You can see a lot of free videos are available there. If you want to get a paid training, you can reach out to the Learnomate. We can have a paid training
Ankush,
also.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Last question, I think.
Yeah,
I'm not
yeah.
bothering you.
Yeah.
कि ये जब डीबीए की जो हमारी क्लास आप जो कराएंगे, इसके बाद क्या जो ओरेकल का जो सर्टिफिकेशन है, क्या उसकी भी प्रिपरेशन इसमें इंक्लूड होगी, या उसमें कुछ सेपरेटेड है? क्योंकि उसमें कुछ डिफरेंट टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो मैंने रीड आउट किए हैं.
सो बेसिकली मैं बात बताऊँ क्या आप लोग को, मतलब थोड़ा मोटा मैं बताता हूँ. देखो, सर्टिफिकेशन का आप टेंशन मत लो. इंडिया में सर्टिफिकेशन की इतनी वैल्यू नहीं है. ओके, वो सिर्फ एक नाम का धब्बा है. अगर आपके रिज्यूमे में है तो अच्छा है. सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि सर्टिफिकेशन में जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, दैट इज एक MCQ काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, लाइक मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. ओके, so you don't need to take a risk of like it's a risk of almost 45,000 actually. Okay, if you go for the OCP, there are two exams are there, admin 1 and admin 2. So that's very risky actually. Okay, that risk we can take care of it. Okay, so you discuss with my team, that we will take care. My suggestion is, don't focus on certification, focus on skills, your technical skills. That's very important. Communication skills, which are very important as of now. Certification part we will definitely do. You don't need to worry about that. We will take care of it. Okay, but my suggestion will be, your certification is not going to give you a job. It is just add on actually. In India, we don't prefer certifications and all much. If you are in US and other side, yeah, there it's really good. So as I said, you need to understand. Okay, reach out to us, we will help you with certification. Okay.
Sorry,
Okay, guys. Yeah.
Sorry for disturbing.
Yeah.
With you are providing this experience, would I work from home? Would I take the opportunity? Would I work?
Work from home is completely depending upon the company to company. Like, if you ask me, in COVID, I worked almost for 3 years with L&T. I never gone to the office. Like, I was just sitting at home doing my work from home. There are many companies out there, like there is a company called, recently one of my student, he got placed in Bangalore. He is having completely work from home. So many companies are there, they are doing completely work from home, but it's all depending upon project, the companies and companies. Okay,
Thank you very much.
Any one last question? All good? Okay. Yeah.
Hello. Difficult है क्या सर? ये तो difficult coding, we don't know sir, coding and SQL queries.
There is no coding required. Okay, no DBA, so don't worry about that. Okay, थोड़ा मेहनत करना
SQL
सीखो आप लोग, सब इजी है।
SQL क्वेरी डिफिकल्ट है क्या इसमें? मतलब SQL इजी है सर?
या सबका डिफिकल्ट सबका इजी अलग अलग होता है। ओके, मेरा डिफिकल्ट, आपका डिफिकल्ट, आपका इजी मेरा इजी, कैसे बताएंगे, है ना? वो सब आदमी के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, तो देखते हैं। ओके, चलो गाइस, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग मी एंड आई होप यू एंजॉयड द सेशन. So we are going to see you directly in the class. Please enroll to the Learnomet. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And there is a number available in the chat option. There is a number available on my screen. Reach out to them, WhatsApp them basically. And thank you so much for listening me. Thank you. काफी अच्छा लगा आप लोग से मिलके. Bye bye guys. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.